Done. Done with what?
My camera.
Dude, I gave it to him.
What?
I'm looking at pictures of girls. Sure.
In the cabin. Take a pic.
Hey, if you're recording the cast.
What?
What? That's retarded! Jason! Jason! Get dark! Give it back! Jason, give it back!
It's in that, or we with the news reporter. There was a fire in the building to the left. This is one of the surviving noises. Get back here. So how was the fire? Angry people. Angry people.
Hold my camera back!
See the fire? It's right there.
Yeah. Pretty intense.
Mhm.
You still recording?
Yep.
We should go hide that in the boys' cabin.
Go be a news guy. Go be a news guy. Go.
Are you ready to get the fire back?
No! I want my
You'll get the
camera
fire.
back.
You'll get the camera when you do the fire thing.
No! I want my camera!
She wants her family back. She's in distress. You're in denial. You know what that means?
Yes!
Let's go see the whole place of the fire. Too bad that's the boys'
I
restroom.
want my camera
Yeah.
back! Now!
Oh, it's not your camera. I'm afraid that's a news. See the big fire right there? Whoa.
It's my
See,
camera
it's a big
and I
fire.
want it back!
Yeah, it's pretty amazing. She wants her family back. So sad. In 3 weeks. So sad.
What the heck?
It's the truth. In denial of the fire.
Hey, come here.
Why don't you come across the road and get it?
It's zoomed in.
Okay.
See, if you see all the flames in the window, that's fire.
Look at it. Poor prey of God's might. You know.
Give me back my camera!
It's not your camera, it's news reporters.
It's my camera!
It is not.
I
Hold on.
want it back!
Get it yourself.
Whoa, that dropped it.
He's in so much denial, man. That's out of control.
Let
We
me
gotta
take
go-
a video of these
we gotta
people
go-
over here. Let me just take a video.
And these are witnesses.
This is actually a video.
No, no, no.
Whoa,
Whoa. No. Not cool.